Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily print your Excel sheets. First, open your Excel workbook and select the specific sheet you wish to print. Then, go to the Page Layout tab. Here, you can set your page orientation to either portrait or landscape, depending on your data's layout. Also, select your paper size, such as standard letter or A4, to match your printer's tray. Next, it's crucial to define exactly what you want to print. Highlight the cells you wish to include, then navigate to the Print Area option and select Set Print Area. This ensures only your selected data prints. Below that, in the Scale to Fit section, you can adjust the width and height. A common choice is to set both to one page to fit everything neatly. Before printing, always use the Print Preview. Go to File, then click Print to see exactly how your sheet will look. This view is essential for catching any layout issues. You can also adjust your page margins directly from the screen by clicking the Show Margins button. Take a moment to ensure everything is perfectly aligned and readable before proceeding. Finally, you are ready to print. In the Print menu, select your preferred printer from the available options. Then, specify how many copies you require. You can choose to print only the active sheets, the entire workbook, or just your defined selection. Once all settings are correct, simply click the large print button to send your perfectly formatted Excel sheet to the printer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.